When I ache in silence, I whisper your name. Natatanda his love was the same. There's something about Nanang warm and true, a comfort that always led me back to you. In fevered nights when I felt weak, it was you my heart would quietly seek. You'd walk for miles in sun or rain to bring me joy, to ease my pain. From Barrio Santiago, so far and wide, you came with love no one could hide. Royco soup in hand, Marie biscuit too, and Royal True Orange just to help me through. My sisters, they claim to be ill like me, jealous of the care that also long to see. So I share the love, the bite, the bliss, even in sickness, those moments I miss. Now etched in my heart, never to part, are memories that molded my soul and my art. A boy once broken, now built from that grace. With Nanang's love, I found my place. Oh, if only forever could truly be, would keep our Nanang for eternity. Her love unwavering, pure as a prayer. Where are you, Nanang? I wish you were here. Hush of dawn, I hear your song, a lullaby that's lingered all along. Your voice a balm to my restless mind, melody gentle, patient and kind. I see your hands in the morning light, worn yet strong, always holding tight. They stitched my wounds, they calmed my fears, they wiped away my childhood tears. Now I walk with your strength in my stride, your wisdom and warmth forever my guide. Yes, my guide, though you're beyond what eyes can see, your love lives on forever in me. In me.